fourth matter, the last matter, which is the subject of that manifestation, is the opening of the sealed PIR box. Remember, na doon sa proceedings for the Committee on Justice noon, pinagkapasyahan ng majority of the members of the Justice Committee na huwag na munang buksan yung box na present o dinala ng BIR in compliance with the subpoena issued by the committee. Kasi there were questions about whether pwede, kasi nga yung mga non-disclosure provisions as a National Internal Revenue Code, although there's of course divergence of opinion there. Ako mismo, I was insisting already on the opening of that PIR box, but the majority decided otherwise. So that was transmitted, that particular PIR box was transmitted to the Senate na nakaseal, na hindi pa yun nakita na members of the Justice Committee. So since we are in the marking of exhibits, this is a proper stage na kailangan na rin siguro buksan yan para magkaroon na ng inventory of the contents of that particular PIR box. So sa tingin namin, that would aid also in more efficient and more expeditious conduct of trial kung mabuksan na rin yan ngayon during the stage ng pre-trial.
Pwedeng si Senate Secretary Bantog yung magdesisyon?
I think the Senate Secretary has to get the clearance from the court, or at least from the presiding officer, tungkol dyan sa sealed BIR box. Kasi kung hindi gagawin ngayon, saka lang sa trial mabubuksan. And then saka lang sa trial, i-pre-mark kung gagamitin as evidence by either or both parties. So mas maigi na anyway, ongoing pa naman yung marking dito sa pre-trial ay makahabol yung pagbukas ng BIR box na yan, yung sealed BIR box, para malaman na, ma-inventory na yung kanyang mga laman.
Pwede na po ba yung isa, hindi Senate President na siya yan, or kailangan buong...
We will leave it up to them how they're going to resolve that matter. Although I'm sure na yung manifestation na yan, that would still be referred, or the defense would still have the right to respond or to comment on the manifestation that we filed. Kasi kailangan meron din agreement on their part dito sa apat na matters na ito. Although as I said, yung third matter ay galing sa kanila yan. Yung tungkol dun sa 3-day notice or disclosure of the intended witnesses at least 3 days before the scheduled hearing for that particular witness or witnesses.
You want it open ngayong pre-trial conference?
Yes, if possible. If possible, kung makahabol pa, bago matapos talaga yung pre-trial at bago mag-issue ng pre-trial order, para makita na, para tapos na, para malaman na rin ng both parties kung gagamitin nila yung mga contents, yung mga documents na nandyan sa box na yan ng BIR. That is in relation to unexplained wealth, Article 2.
Ma'am, would it be faster if ngayong pre-trial conference bubuksan yung box compared sa mismo impeachment trial?
Oh yes, of course. Kasi pag sa impeachment trials, bukod sa pagbubukas, yan ang titingnan at pagmamangkahat pa. Isa-isahin pa yan. So I don't know how much time would it take, depende kung gaano karami yung laman doon, ano ang mga laman talaga ng BIR box na yan, yung mga tax records.
Ma'am, any idea lang anong laman talaga ng box?
Well, it's supposed to be tax records because it's from the BIR. It's in relation to the issue of unexplained wealth. Yung taxable income pa na income ba na dinideclare doon sa mga tax records ay ay makakasupport pa nung claim namin na yung hindi na ilagay sa SALN, and then manifest disproportionate to the income or to the local income and earnings of the respondent and response.
Pero safe to say, ma'am, mabigat na ebidensya talaga yan. Happens at
We cannot be commenting on that at this point because it has to do with the merits of the case. We cannot be commenting at this point on the admissibility and on the probative value and weight. So your question, sir, is has to do with the issue of probative value.
So, legal authority po dapat from the presiding officer.
We leave it up to them. We leave it to the secretary, to the clerk of the court, Attorney Bantu, to take action on that as to referral to the presiding officer and whether to be referred still to the impeachment court.